So over here you can see that I got two tasks right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and set the task priority. In that case, you can go around over here and right click, and over here you can see that priority is an option. I can go ahead and select out high, let's say for example, and an exclamation mark is added in this particular task, denoting that this is a task with high priority. Similarly, you can go around over here as well, and let's say for example, go around onto this particular task right here and set the priority to low, and this gives the down arrow stating that the priority is low. You can also go around onto the priority section right here and set it to normal, and then you don't get any mark right there, or not specified right here, and you don't get any mark for that as well. And this is how you can go around and set out priority to your tasks so that an indication is added in so that you know which task is important and which task has low priority inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.